Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Today we will start multiplication of decimals. So in multiplication of decimals, we will study three things. Multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000 by a whole number. Multiplication of decimal by whole number and multiplication of decimal by decimal. Okay. So first we are starting with the multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 or 1000. On multiplying a decimal by 10, decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. This is your right hand side. So if you multiply by 10, let us say it is 0.5 into 10. So it will be 5.0. Means the decimal shifted one place to right. Okay. Decimal came here. On multiplying a decimal by 100, it will shift two places to right, and on multiplying by 1000, it will shift three places to right. So if it is 0.5 into 100, then what? 5 into 100 is 500. And then how many decimal places it will shift? It will shift two places. So this is decimal was here. So one place, two place. So the answer will be 50.0, which will be 50. If you multiply with the, now look here, 7.24 into 1000. So 1000 means it will shift three places to right. So one place will be here, two place will be here, three place is not there. So we will put a 0. So it will be 7240. Okay. One place is two place and another third, because it has to shift three place. So 3000 was not there. So you have to add a 0. Or the simplest method is you just multiply. If I say 0.5 into 10. So you write 5 into 10. You know how much is that? That is a 50. Now how many decimal places it has? It has just one decimal place. So from the back you see one digit and put the decimal here. Okay. You can remember any of the things. They all are very easy. Now you look here, 25.46 into 10. So only one decimal place it will shift. So 0.4. So the decimal will come after 4. So 254.6. 127, 127.354 into 10. Into 10 means one shifting. So 0.3 say it will come before 5. So it came here. Clear? If it is 123.45 into 100. So into 100 means what? One place here, another place here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Decimal by a whole number. So you just ignore the decimal, multiply. Look here, 4.25 into 12. पहले decimal को भूल जाओ. Ignore the decimal. 425 into 12 is how much? 5100. Now how many decimal places it has? Two decimal places, because the number was 4.25. So what you do, from the back you count. From the back you count two digits. One digit was this, another was this, and then put the decimal. So the answer is 51.00. And if a digit has zeros after decimal, it has no, this zeros has no value. So 51.00 ko you can write as 51. Now look here, 0.67 into 15. So you do 67 into 15 first. Okay, ignoring the decimal. You'll get 1005. Now how many decimal places it has? 2. So from the back you count 1 and 2 places and then put the decimal here. 2.2 into 5. So you just do 22 into 5. How much is that? 5 2s are 10, 0, 1, 5 2s are 10, 1, 11. Now how many decimal places? One decimal place. So from the back, count one digit and put a 0. So 11.0 will be written as 11 is the answer. Clear? Moving on to. So multiplication of decimal by a decimal. Here also you ignore the decimal. These two numbers are given now. So you do 6248 into 59. You will get the answer as this. That is 368632. This much is done. This much you know how to multiply. Now, how many total digits were there after decimal? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 digits were there. So from the back you count 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. That's what they are doing here. Here 2 decimal places were there, here 1 decimal place was there. So the answer should have 3 decimal places, and for decimal places they are always counted from the back side. If it was 5.5 into 1.1, so 55 into 11 is how much? 11 fives are 55, 5, 11 fives are 55, 55 and 5 is 60. This much is done. Now how many? 1 decimal place and one more, 2 decimal places. So from the back, 1 and 2, and put the decimal here. So the answer will be 6.05, means 5.5 into 1.1 will be 6.05. They are very simple. So question number 1, they are asking you to multiply. This is exercise 3.2 of page 50. Multiplication. Okay, let us see only one question. We will do 21.1 into 10. So when single zero was there, decimal will shift one place to the right. The answer will be 211. Isn't it? Now here also you see 0.7 into 10. So this decimal will shift this side. So it will be 7. Actually it will be 7.0. It will be 7. Okay. So the questions are done here. I am not going to explain as it is already explained to you. Okay. Let us see the question number second, fourth part. 25.2 into 7. So ignoring the decimal, we multiplied. We got as 17.64. Now how many decimal places were there? 1. So from the back, we will count 1 digit and the answer will be 176.4. That is the answer. Same way for the subpart 8 of question number 3. 1.05 into 0.03. Ignore the decimals and multiply. You got the answer as 315. Now, how many digits after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3. 4 I want. I don't have a 4. So, what we will do? We will put a 0 and then the decimal. When nothing is there before decimal, we write a 0. So, this is your answer. Okay. Question number 4, they are asking you to find the area of the square field whose side is 5.8 centimeter. So area of the square is side into side and its unit will be square centimeter or centimeter square. So side is given to you, side is already given to you 5.8. So do 5.8 into 5.8 and find the answer. So that was all for today. We will do the remaining part tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.